Hey everyone, welcome back to DN Tips, where we like to go around the industry and talk about what great and interesting things are happening in the machine tool world. I'm your host, Mark Christopher, and today we're really going to talk shop and discussing what 3 machine tools should every shop have on their floor to compete at today's level. In any modern CNC shop, versatility, precision, and productivity are key. To stay competitive and efficient, there are 3 core machines every shop should have. First, the 3-axis CNC mill. It's the backbone of most shops, and it's ideal for machining simple prismatic parts, fixtures, and a whole range of everyday components. With easy programming and solid reliability, it handles the bulk of milling operations with efficiency and repeatability. Next, a Y-axis CNC lathe with live tooling. This machine dramatically expands turning capabilities. It has Y-axis and live tooling, and it can mill, drill, and tap on the face and side of parts, eliminating multiple setups and reducing lead time. It's a must-have for complex multi-operation turn parts. And finally, the 5-axis CNC mill. This is where shops take their capabilities to the next level. With simultaneous 5-axis motion, you can machine complex geometries in a single setup, reducing handling, improving accuracy, and unlocking high-value industries like the aerospace, medical, and mold making. To meet these core needs, DN Solutions offers up a powerful lineup. For 3-axis milling, the DNM, the BVM, and the SVM series deliver rock-solid performance. The DNM line is a trusted workhorse for any shop, while the BVM series is a bridge-style machine delivering high precision mixed with maximum productivity. And last, the SVM series brings high-speed, high-efficiency machining for production environments. For turning, the Lynx LSY series provides compact, high-performance Y-axis turning with live tooling. This is perfect for shops that need multitasking power in a small footprint. And for advanced machining, the DBF 4000 and DBF 5000 5-axis mills combine precision, automation readiness, and ease of use, making highly complex parts more accessible than ever. Whether you're starting out or scaling up, these 3 machines form the core of a productive, future-ready CNC shop, and DN Solutions has the technology to keep you ahead of the curve. If you're interested in learning more about your next machine tool purchase from DN, please visit our website for more details.